Hala, may cielo.
Wala, si Jane.
Hala. Sino ba yun?
Ayun.
Ayan, okay. Finally.
Kaya start na. Ba't kayo masudong po?
Yay! This whole time, di pala kita yung food.
Oh. Ano yung slow ba to? Slow ba to, guys? Guys, hindi pa ito. Ito ba?
Hindi maano.
Di ba nausod? Nausod, bro!
Hala.
Guys, kasama ito.
Ganto tayo.
Bro, nausod. It's fine, bro. This is just physics inertia.
Sure. At least we won't die here.
I feel like this is gonna be really boring.
I hope not.
Just remember the rides that took so long. Oh, the dream twister only took us like as soon as we got there. Huh?
What?
Huh? Huh?
Boo! Okay.
Ano ba yan?
Oh my fucking god.
Ano scene siya, Beda?
Guys.
Hurry up, please.
Hindi siya Beda, Beda ang saya.
Yay! Ito na. Yay! Inaantok na si bro, oh.
But, bro, manual ba ang pagbaba natin ito?
Doon ko. I mean, may space pa dito. Kaya pa to ma-squish.
Nice. Pwede pa rin tayo tumalsik.
Yeah. Kapit na. Kapit pa, ah. Yay!
Yay!
This will be so underwhelming.
Baba na tayo.
As soon as you finish, it's just, I regret it.
Can we get one more ride just so we can make up for this?
Yes.
I think I'm done after this.
I still gotta get sure.
Like water, bro. Like water. Snowflake.
Can we just ride the boat?
The boat? That will take like 30 minutes.
This one took 30 minutes.
This is literally like water, bro.
Yeah, but I like it.
This is like the baby version of the drop time.
Okay.
Ang ganda ng view.
I mean, I can feel it. Kanina nasigaw tayo.
Oo nga.
Are we supposed to scream?
No. Uy,
Oh,
tumatayo.
tatanong na ako, tatanong
Hoy, hoy, tangina.
Oh my God!
I think it's about now that we should start screaming.
Ganyan ko yung isang kuya pero namamakiw ako.
Hoy, wag.
Oh!
Hoy, tangina. Hoy, fuck. I feel my soul ascending.
Good kind of boring.
Okay, then get out.
Gusto na
Get off.
Sige, pre, alis ako ngayon. Sige, alis ako.
Hoy.
I'm kidding.
Dude, I'll stand up right now.
What is this?
Naramdam ko na, naramdam ko na.
Yeah, diba? Diba?
Naramdam ko na.
Oh my God. Yung ano talaga.
Oh my God.
Yung ano sa hangin.
Oh my God. It moved, it moved, it moved, it moved. Fuck that, fuck that.
This is so much worse.
Gago, tataob na si Kuya! Gago, yung isa natayo!
to?
Hep, hep.
Alright. This is really epic. Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys, is this epic the music? May bata tuloy!
I feel like Odysseus! I feel like Odysseus, bro! Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna puke! Really? Wag.
Sayang yung nasa gitna.
Oo nga, ang daya ng nasa gitna. Oh my god, bro.
Parang hindi ulan, laway lang yun.
Oo, tangin na. Saka tumawag nila pababa.
Oh, wala. Maramdam.
Kaya pala, nairit. Para mawawala yung pagkawalan ng... Oo, pagkawalan ng buhay.
I feel like I literally felt like Odysseus, bro. I was literally the Odysseus.
Thank,
I miss my
good.
wife and son.
What?
Guys, I miss...
Okay.
I feel
Nasakit
like I
ulo
should have
ko.
been screaming then.
Nasakit ulo ko.
I'm gonna fucking puke.
Guys, uuwi na lang ako sa spring homes.
Oo na, uuwi na tayo after
You know, I was
this.
literally singing
I thought
epic.
one more ride.
Like, we're up in the...
Isa pa sana.
Sayang mo, rinig ka.
Ayun na lang po, ate.
Asan ka? Feeling ko masusuka ako.
Ako rin.
Pretty sure this should be...
Oh my god.
Sorry, guys.